Bw'umuguzi. Chinsa Ikomi ritkonira Jumamosi tariki 19 mutinyo kabiro mwaka 2022 Chinsa ngokwarena SMS yote ya mangana maya irinkombanyi narare nakwarene kururia gakete gwikabonega no kubori kwane nanyara ko bamona hinje gwikomera nyurana nabakanda gutubwatya sensa meri mitandao tonyo sensa ya Facebook tonyora Ndizi TV News pega sensa meri ya YouTube nabagotonyora Ndizi TV News baigo nabagosanga kerengere kyao gwitera senamba eyira skin ya igorabu na sensa meri ya Twitter nabagoto tweet @Ndizi TV News igo ikaranzo ikende ngomanyi nararia yu SMS mangana maya koru chingongo nyejense mocha iri anyibo songo amo nasugusu ana botambe iri tariane Brighton Makoli Asoko jakirani gabono amate ya makuru jinsi ya majiri chanya mira sekinyorugia Kenya mwale ime ya manga yanyarige kuboria serikali gwetera oburendi bwa ime gose serikali bisara y'oburendi bwa ime gokora obotuki ayani gagocha maega ya amate ya bogosira asengenjo esenjera y'obotutukanu korengana nigo bakonyora imibasukano yepara korengana ne familia yigo somonogari bwe familia ya amate yu Charles Mujali amo na Paulo Makini nigo banyare bagotabuna ya amate yabo nigo yanyarige kobake gosira gwetera imibasukano yepara ase bagonyora mubasukano yo asahamo korengana ne para gose ase mubasukano ni go asabanda bagusirera nigo ara asahamo ase mubasukano gwe para ibono nigo babuldi serikali gwe sonani akora botuki boisaine
as Utubara brother Gerald Aperi is the brother in this family that is standing before you here. There has been, we've been having the same burials in this field that we are standing here. That is my brother who was involved in an accident in the year 2020, 29th December of 2020. In a road accident, that is Kisi Nyamira route at the place we call Getare. There were two with the one that we buried today. But the one we buried today escaped the death until also he was involved in the same accident on 4th of this month. Yeah, actually that's for what I can talk as at now. I can't talk or but others can also speak out.
My brother was in town on 4th by he left where they were sitting for lunch at around 8 in the evening. On the way coming home, he was involved in an accident along Kisii Nyamira Highway near Getare Market. And the question comes, the same place where my younger brother got an accident, where to some extent also he had a question because the cars which were involved last time, they were not well identified, and when we tried to do some other investigation, we got that the cars were more than two, the way we were told from the people who took our brothers from the incident. We have been having a challenge of accidents with our brothers, and we suspect there's somebody behind it because like Charles who died the other day was involved in an accident which is in question.
Omabunge hokabenguria Samuel Moroto oyikuru asebunge ya West Pokot ni gobona nyarega kuburi serikali kubika uburendi boisaini gose gutinga uburendi asensemeyo anene semeri ya kirio fare asobosaga ni bandate kwenda kiwani gatebire buna egesa kukia ba Pokot tare bakora basaga ni kurende abasaga ni gobara asensemeyo ni gobona momochiri wasiri bw'uburendi boime Dr. Fred Matiang'i asoko majigesa kukia ba Pokot kurende Muroth ni gobona nyarega kuburi serikali wetere wisara y'uburendi boime kubeka emiruru ya bene rikwena kibuna abasagani abo ngobwatu barase enseme yani gagoja maega y'abana wetani 15 gosaganwa na gutigeru chingoma asensemo gose abana be skuru ya Toti High School gutigerwa chingoma na koirwa sinyagitari kera basagani banyarite bakubasagana ekaro barengene gari yabo yeskuru asensemeyo.
Si wa Pokot ni wale walifu. Sangina hata wanashirikiana. Hebu nimesikia kuna basi jana ilipikwa ya Toti na tunasema pole kwa hiyo watoto. Kule Aror. Hebu angalia distance ya Aror na pale chini. Lazima tuangalie ukweli ni nini. Hao watu ingekuwa hapa Toti. Sisi sangine tugefikiria mara moja na kusema ni namna hiyo. Lakini hebu angalia kule Aror mpaka hapa chini. Lazima kuna ushirikiano ya wachambazi hapa katikati.
Asichinga gejeju habarai au hamo nabagwatani b'omurembe nigo bano bachakirwa gutahira county cia Laikipia West Pokot amana Turkana hamwe n'eri ya Laikipia irikoraria omurembe anekera basagani banirete gusagana abantu asensemeyo kurengana barai abo nigo bano bairire getambukire ekyo gyokoraria omurembe anenekerense ya Kenya gerete kwergani gochasobojero bonene omwaka oyo.
Leo tumekuja sehemu hii tukijua kwamba bado tunapangilia kwenda kaunti ya Isiolo na kaunti ya Samburu kuendesha ama kuhubiri maneno ya amani.
Sisi tunajua hii ni mwaka ya uchaguzi na sana sana kila wakati uchaguzi unapokuja hii kaunti yetu ya Laikipia huwa inakabiliwa na mambo mingi ambayo inahusu amani. Tunaona wale majamii wanaishi katika Laikipia wanaanza kusozana kwa sababu ya ile mvurutano ya malisho na maji, especially wakati wa kiangazi. Lakini hii mwaka iko tofauti kidogo kwa sababu pia kuna ile mlumbano ya siasa. Na tunajua wanasiasa sengine wanakuwa na ile excitement, wanajisahau, wanaanza kuongea maneno ambayo inaweza changia ukosefu wa amani. Kwa hivyo sisi tunataka kusihi wananchi na siasa haswa wote ambao wako katika ile area ya Laikipia, Samburu na Isiolo na Baringo pia ambao wanatafuta nyanza mbalimbali za uongozi wachunge sana kuleta maneno ambayo inaweza changia ukosefu wa amani.
Ekero inse ya Kenya gerete kwergani guchasa matemu manene y'umwaka oyo gosaboroke wendete kwergani guchasa matemu nigo bone gekure getindi kiarure gochi ase bali bakagire gochi koibera amatemu ayo korengana no muwasiri bw'Igisemi Professor Chimagoa nigo bona arure gekure getindi gochi ase ababwatani aho bw'Igisemi anene bali babwata umuroberi gochi koibera amatemu ayo konende magoha ni gatebero ne serikali nigo yabekire miroberi ya bene rikwena kimuna amatemu ayo kuchero korekana ona erobereire.
The examination has not leaked, and that the first exam shall be seen after it has left the container. There are a few of those crooks who are still trying. If you are stupid and you want to buy, go and buy. But I want to confirm to you that you shall not be buying our exams.
21 KCP and KCSE will be administered in a fair and favorable environment that will give us an opportunity for all candidates to excel.
My charge to you is to ignore the noise and administer the examination the way you have done in the past. Children don't have political parties, they don't belong to any group. My orders from the president, and I think my brother also has the same orders, is that the examination must be administered with the common denominator. The most important person there is the child.
Ekyombekerie kurigeri chingwana chiranyara chiguturani omurembe nigo bono kiabekire mero yabe na goteabuna nigo kiabwaterane ni byombe binde likwena kimino omurembe gose bari bara chukwana chingwana chiguturani omurembe hanena abana siasa ngoruru bare getambukire getindi ani gagoja maega yekyombe kikense IC Kenya gikore buna chi county emeronge na isato nigo chirigeti go chiguturana omurembe kurende nigo batebuna babekire mero yabene kubwaterane byombe binde likwena kimina chi county yo chigotwara chiro omurembe kero twari ndi ucha sobochore bonne bomwakoyo.
You will expect Uasin Gishu and Nakuru County to appear in that list from our history of electoral violence. But we want to tell the country that the leadership of those two counties, Uasin Gishu and Nakuru, have taken upon themselves for the last 10 years to make sure that the face of those counties have changed. It also doesn't mean that other counties which you have not mentioned are not vulnerable. It depends on how the leadership and the politicians of those counties will be decent.
Where there are those rallies for Tanga and then for Kieleweke, where for Azimio right now, we are sending our teams to go and try and tame the hate speech.
And we are called toothless dog, etc. But actually, when you look at the shared responsibilities that we have, as NCIC, we do our part. Once the case has gone to the DPP and goes to court, it's no longer NCIC.
Ababwatani ba Kenya Kwanza aransi obukora wa numukonyi bumurai bwense Dr. William Ruto amo numurai bw'ikiama kya Simsan Rawadi amo nori bw'ikiama gya Ford Kenya mosi gutangura ni kubona banyarba kuboria serikali hanne kiganja gya serikali gutakabesa kibesa kinde hanne kro banyarba batabuna Kenya nigo yakabesire gwetania ekerengo hani gagocha maega ya serikali ekerero bireti guchikuralia budget ende yo mwaka oyo igakujakira mutinyo gatano nomo nigo bono bababoririe na usababuriye kiganja guso umugwasiri wekiganja gya serikali gotasaini inse okuigwana guko kabesa chibesa chinde kurujinse chisco.
Wale ambao wako katika treasury, na mimi nazungumza nikilenga waziri wa fedha Mheshimiwa Yatani, Mr. Minister of Finance, hiki ni kipindi cha lala salama. Tafadhali usiweke sahihi madeni ambayo unaweka haraka kwa kipindi cha lala salama. These documents that you are going to sign in a hurry kwa kipindi cha lala salama, Mr. Yatani, you will come to be haunted. Kwa hivyo wewe usiweke wa Kenya kwa madeni wakati wa kipindi cha lala salama cha serikali ya Uhuru Kenyatta.
Wale walio katika treasury wasijaribu kuongeza madeni, kwa sababu tayari tunalipa karibu trilioni 1 kila mwaka kwa mambo ya madeni. Sisi tumesema wananchi wa Kenya wasiwekewe madeni ingine. Ile madeni iko imetosha. Ama mnataka tuongeze madeni tena katika hii nchi? Mnataka tuongeze madeni? Hapana. Tumesema madeni imetosha. Tunataka tupange sasa budget yetu kulingana na ile pesa tuko nayo, na ile iko madeni iko sasa imetutosha. Watu wa Githunguri tunakubaliana? Tuihamwe. Tutatembea pamoja. Mnasema tutatembea pamoja? Hebu nione wala anasema tutatembea pamoja.
Abarai bekiama kia uda kurujinse ao imeyensi niko bono bae nekeiria babata ni bawande ne abarai balwachu kuriye birugo ao buna abachori obokebwe kiamu ekyo ni obojokorekana asinjira yo bwane no bwasyoku niko bono bate biruna bali bachu kuriye birugo ao mbanyara bagotwara obwaba korengana ne mirobero ningo yabekiru kwene kibuna oyo gochukubwa sobachori oboke ne rochukuiruke bendere ye kiamu ekyo.
As the new laws which were passed the other day stipulates. More so we have assured them that the nomination will be free and fair, and we are going to do everything to replicate what the IBC does.
We'll have so many people who have not been registered. However, the party has taken that role that more members will be recruited, more members will be registered, and they've given us a USSD code that will be used by members to resign from parties.
Aso golera ningo bono murai wekiama kia ODM Raila Odinga agenda ne campaign cha yo sigu ya kereko ka sensemeri ya coast ekerate buna nerebieka oraji ko ra NC ya Kenya na koleta monjiruli asebaiga momochiri omokonyi bumurai bwense Dr. William Ruto asate buna Ruto ni gabriere taba Kenya ko ba ikiraniri amagani aba kolende ko bono tara ikiraniri tara ba ikiraniri amagani aba asaba leteire chiwiri baro.
Tunaona hiyo Sasa hiyo jamaa anakuja hapa anasema ati baba anatema uongo. Na yeye mwenyewe anakuja na ahadi mingi. Yeye sasa jina lake mwingine anaitwa Mr. Ahadi. Bwana Ahadi. Bwana Ahadi. Mbeleni huko 2013 aliambia ati kila mtoto katika shule atakuwa na laptop. Sasa sema namna hiyo. Ndani ya miezi 6 kila mtoto katika shule atakuwa na laptop. Sawa? Sasa huyo mtoto ambaye alianza 2013 kama mpatie laptop sasa anamaliza secondary. Akimaliza sasa anampatia wheelbarrow.
Hayuna na kwarigania Chinsa Ikomi konde nyino na gekuraga inse yama yabona maragoba ni nchiko ira na sembe semangana mayeri nkomanyi amana mangi buna yandete kwate kaime na isko ya gusinyurana na wakanda kwati merobeli ya Ndizi TV akwetera asense media Facebook tonyala Ndizi TV News baigo asense ya YouTube na bako tonyala Ndizi TV News baigo na bako to tweet @Ndizi TV News baigo kerengel kiao ni otokiare ndikiretaika kwetera asena ba yera skin yawo go tiangolera habu kolenda sitaika chitadi chinge ni gojikumirana na Steven Ndema Captain 001 asomorero wechikosori na bakasori lyakomanyi na rali kurwa CBT au twaraburirio bia iretariane Brighton Makoli.